Right. Welcome to another community Zoom. Weekly. I don't know what people have, let's see. Look. Okay, look. Let's look at Lyft. LYFT. Uh, that is all old stuff. All right. All right. Now tell me, why was you looking at this one?
I think at the time it was forming, it was right at the blue with the lower high.
Right here.
Yep. It's the
Forget
fit. Is it that far back? I'm gonna look
that.
on my chart, but that's why I was looking at it, just trying to put the fib on it.
So lower high. Yeah. Lower high. All right. So when you drew your fib, where did you draw it? From
Well,
where?
the low wasn't there, so it wasn't to the low.
Okay. Okay. So now it's here. So now where would you draw it?
From the higher high to the low. Well, no, my newest structure point would be lower high to the low.
Yes, that's been continuation. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. So let's look at that. Boom, boom, boom. 40. Okay. Hold on. No, no. Okay. So lower high. Oh my God. Okay. You have the apple. All right. Sorry, my cat's being annoying. Okay. All right. Now, so the pullback here on the fib is at the 25. So yeah. Oh wait, I always do that. I just okay, I'm gonna do it right. I'm gonna do it right. Up here, so you can actually see the trend line. Okay, bam. That is correct. Okay. So it is at 1977. So you're looking to get into a put, right?
Correct. Yep.
Okay. So actually, let me see. Interesting. Yeah, it looks like it's going down for sure. All right. All right. So, right. And that's actually perfect, right? Because our little Fibbo setups is bearish candle under the higher low. And that actually printed today. So tomorrow, if the next candle is opens up under there, that will be a perfect time to get in there. And that is at 1977. Well, wait, no, 1944. That's where it's at. Right now, it pulled back here. And if it made this lower high, it fell to go higher and respecting this trend line here, which means it's going to go down. So let me put my other friends on here. Okay, dope. So under the 50 is definitely bearish sentiment as well. And that means that it could go to at least here. But if it comes back down here to 1859, that's where it's going to come to too, because the target is here. But it's just on the way there, it's going to pass up all these EMAs. So the structure is definitely there for lift. It's under the 50. You gotta look at the confluence. You know, I'm really big on confluence. Like, what is telling me lift is about to go down for me under the 50, lower high, for to go higher. Stop loss would be on top of this wick, which is said about 2020, somewhere up in there. And 2020 stop loss. 'Cause right now it's at 1944. And it has the potential to go all the way down here. But you also want to look at, ooh, all right, hold on now. Messing up our focus. Um, the swing low. Ooh, okay. Hold on. Let me mute that, right? So, yes, Fib says it can go to 1566. And if it passes, so how you look at it is you will come to the swing low when you look down and left. So, down and left is under this low right here. Could go back down to 1324, or this says 1316, so I might be a couple cents off there, but the low is 1316. That's where it can come, because let's look at it. It came here, failed to go higher, failed to go lower, failed to go lower, higher high. I'm sorry, higher low, higher high, overbought, came back down. Three higher lows at like the same point. So let's look. You got also like look at the lines here, right? This is the higher low. So it could not break past this three times. That's like one, two, and then even come all the way down there. Actually, it's more than three right here. And look to the right. All right here. It's all this consolidation. Tap, 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 tap. 1904 is a popular spot. So confirmation would be if it passed 1904, you can set an alert, right? And we just come to this higher low, draw a line under that higher low, right click, hit alert, boom, you don't touch nothing up here. Once per bar closed, don't touch that. The date. Can push it out to as furthest you can go. That's not a weekend because the market ain't open. Oh, you can do Monday. It probably gonna take that long, but I'll do Friday. And then hit message. And then you write lift, LYFT, cross down, daily time frame. And then leave that there and create. So that way you'll get an alert once the price come down past 1904, then you already know, okay, I'm ready to get in. Stop loss is going to be around 2020. These are your targets. These are your target. If it taps and retests 1741, you know what's going here. Tap and retest 1566. The next stop after that is the low right here. 1324, which is, oops, this low down here. Swing low. At that point, yeah. Because that's what you always have to pay attention to, like, what is it showing you in the past? Like, one here, almost touched there, touch there again, touch again. Let me see how many taps that is. One, two, three, four, five, six. This is the seventh touch out of here, then 8 and 9. So after 9 touches of this same spot, it breaks that for sure. Lights out. Lift is gone. Right to the target. So you can now the thing is like, okay, if I get in, it breaks 1904 because it's only 40 cents away, and that could easily happen tomorrow. And how far out did you get your contract? That's always the question that people ask. Well, how do you know that is how long did it take to get to this point from the bottom? So you just look at the date. August 7th, 2025. Well, wait a minute. Let me be precise. August 11th. So August 11th to here, that's about a month, right? Came down. How long it took to get here? So August, September, October, November. That's about 3 months. So yeah, boom. And then November 12th to this low is about 1 month. So I would say between 2 to 3 months out. It probably definitely ain't gonna take that long. But just so you don't have to be rolling down and rolling over and all that, you want to give yourself time. Because once it hits the target, like, all right, cool. But it could take that long to get here, but definitely not like here or here. But I mean, I'm not psychic by no means, but this is a very important level right here for Liv. That 1904, that's all she wrote. Like, that structure breaks. See you later. Well, start looking at the targets. This is I'll write it out and then I'll publish it and put it in the chat so you guys can have it. That'll
Nice.
be perfect
Thank you.
one. That makes sense?
Yes, and this is for the swings. You're always looking at this
Oh,
daily
absolutely.
chart.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
You can look at the 4 hour too, but I like the daily. You know what I'm saying? That can be the and I'll actually publish this here.
Yeah, I guess my question would be like on a 4 hour, if a wick touches underneath the line and it prompts you. I don't want to, like a false break out of the lower high type situation.
Right. No,
Okay.
you don't want that. You don't want the false. No, you want closure underneath. That's what you want. You don't want a wick touch. You want closure. So this is here. Uh, hold on. Oops. Hold it. I'm about to put it. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Put that. Oh my God. Mm, okay. All right. That looks good. Did it come across in the chat?
Check it now. Yep, got it. Thank you.
No doubt. No doubt. For sure. So said BYD. Boyd Gaming Corporation. Okay. All right. Now, this looks interesting. Okay, right. Because you did about the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour is the daily with more candles. So clearly it's in a uptrend. Okay, wait. I forgot to do. Okay. My top-down analysis. Lord. All right. Okay, so daily time, I'm sorry, monthly time frame here. Uh let's see here. Let me see something. So you try to see if this would have or try to look like it did, like if you drew it up on the monthly, which you can draw the fib on any time frame. Well, like it's like right there. Wow. Interesting, right? Which means it can still go higher. It could. Okay, that's what I was just wondering. At 110.88. I'm gonna just put a line up there and one right here. Because that's where it's at. Just trying to see something. All right. So that is the monthly time frame. So it's in the uptrend. You just want to check the trends, right? Okay. Then obviously, uh you have the lovely uptrend. Cool. Just respecting that little line there. And then well, the daily we're gonna come back to 4 hour. Okay, right. It is right there. So this is like a given double top, one touch, two touch of that fib line, which is interesting. Okay, then go down to the 1 hour. Same thing, more candles. Okay, definitely double top vibe. And double tops normally come down. It's like double bottoms go up, double tops come down. So, and then going back to the daily time frame, same thing, just less candles. All right. So we're gonna push that out. All right. And that went back up today. All right. So to join the fib, let me put wait a minute. I'm missing. I wanna see.
So move for me when
Uh-huh.
when I was looking at this, like I looked at all of that, and then I looked
Mm-hmm.
at the daily, and then
Mm-hmm.
with those two strong engulfing candles, I mean, I still feel like it's in an uptrend, but I was trying to figure out. I mean, really, I know I have to wait like another day to kind of figure out exactly what direction it's going. I know overall, but I was just wondering, like, could I really draw the fib on that? Like, would I draw it because seeing like that it has that possible double top forming, would
Mm-hmm.
I draw the fib going down or would I draw the fib going up?
Ah, I see. Okay. So hold on. I'm gonna answer that. Definitely up because it's in the uptrend. The quick answer, but hold on. Let me see where the 20 at. All right. So 50 EMA, which is the 20. This is the 30 week. This is the 200. And where is the 800? Oh, 800 way down there. Okay. All right. Now see, it's demand and no supply up here. I don't see any supply at all. Okay, which means it definitely could still run. Because if it was capped off with a supply, I'm like, okay, it's probably gonna go there and it could bounce back down. But I don't see that. So to answer your question, hold on. This is all-time highs? No, yes, maybe so. Hold on, let me go back to the monthly and see. Yep, kind of look like it. Uh, yeah, I think it is. Okay, so that'd be the tricky part of like how high it's gonna go. Because you can only see where it bounced and came from. Bounce off here, and now it's up here. All right, cool. So back to the daily. Where would you draw the fib? How would you draw the fib? So clearly it's in the uptrend. It is double top. Cause like look, I'm gonna take this off for a second. So look, this line here, let me see. Maybe like here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches of this resistance line at 87, 89. Now, normally, if it touched the line that many times, it's going to push up hard or it's going to push down hard. That's a lot. 6 times. Let me make sure I counted that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's 6 touches of that line. So today was the 6th touch, which is Thursday the 8th. So, and you gotta look at it sitting above the EMA. So this, like I said, 800, 200, 30 week, 50, 20, right? Boom. So because it touched that line 6 times, it definitely can push up, but it is respecting the 20, which is that's definitely what you want to see, to push up off of it because this is why I love the EMA. So get like a closer look, and then I'm gonna draw the fib. So, um, so right here, the 20 and the 50 cross. Uh, uh, so 20 and 50 cross. And you see how this candle like sprouted out of it, right? Boom, came all the way up, came back down, wicked the 20, and came push back up, and now is retesting it. So this would be considered price action wise, tap, retest. boom, the EMA. Because sometimes you got to look at the EMAs as like support and resistance. So if the EMAs are pointing up, then yeah, it's telling you like it wants to go up, especially if it's all of these is above all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. However, and as far as getting into it, the market structure. So it made a high, failed to go higher, pulled back, and now it's pulling back up. And again, welcome in people. It hit this line at 87, 89 6 times. And it's bouncing off of this. So it's kind of conflicting because the double top can go down. But remember also, if it is touching it 6 times, it's going to either make a big move up or it's going to make a big move down. That's what you can understand, right? So fib wise, so I'm gonna do that, and then take the 20 off, and then the 30. Which one is it? Ah, oh, right here. All right. So, bam. Okay, now, first of all, hold on, too. Hold on. Let's see something interesting. Uh, where's my? Oh, here we go. So these lines here, right? The trend line is all the way right here. Something like that, right? So, oh God, this cat. Right. So obviously it's in this uptrend. Hold on. Okay. Boom. Consolidation. All right. So just real quick, this is what I see real quick. So all that sideways movement, right? And then it like dumps out, comes up, fails to go higher, comes back down, fail to go lower. So I want to look something up on Google right quick. There you go. As far as what it looks like, the box setup. All right. This is what I'm saying. Accumulation, manipulation, because it dumped out the box. Didn't necessarily make a W, but it did come down in the box, and now it's pushing back up. So if this is something new to you, you should definitely look into it because I see it all the time. And my eyes just caught it. So that's why I'm like, okay. So it's like accumulation, manipulation, and now it's going up, right? How far is it going up? That's what you want to know. That's where the fib come in. But I wanted to point that out because my eyes saw that. It's like, okay, that's interesting, right? Boom. It could look like this too. So all this sideways crap, come down, fall down, and then just skyrocket. Going. The quiet buying. Right. So that is what I see here. Bim, because it came out of the box. Whoever wins this argument, I look at like accumulation and range and like an argument because they're like going back and forth, and then the winner of the argument gets pushed out the box, right? Which is the sellers got pushed out the box. They try to fake you out. That's the manipulation part. And because it failed to go lower, then pushing back up. All right. So that's a cool little quick little gem. Hope y'all wrote that down. Cool. Lovely. Fit. All right. So we can move on. Fib goes up. Sean. Here. So market structure wise, what you are looking and waiting for. One of two things right here. This is in an interesting spot. It's gonna do one of two things as far as market structure is concerned. And that is tomorrow, you're gonna look out to see if it's gonna come above 89.47. If the next candle is bullish, then it could still keep going up. If the next candle is bearish, you want to see, because me, I'm always drawing lines under candles so you can actually see when it breaks, which is a great idea. It's just usually like a little trend line. If the next candle is bearish tomorrow, then it wants to give you a pullback like it did here. These are pullbacks, right? Pullback, opposite color candles on the opposite direction. It look like it's on its way, but it kind of give you like that double top, bop, bop. And like we said, that lower had tapped it 6 times, which means, like I said, it's going to keep going all the way up, or it could tap it and beat it double top and come all the way back down. But remember, on the fib, 25% on my fib, because some people is different, got 23.6 or whatever it is. To 786, these are your retracement levels, meaning that this is how far that the stock can come back to. It did pull back here, so cool. This is a pullback level, which means it can go back up from here, or it could come back down here, it can come here, it can come here, it can come here. Now, right here, this is what I always write, y'all. Bye-bye uptrend. This is, if it comes here, well, it can wick it though. It can wick it. But if it closes underneath, yeah. See you later. Night night. But hopefully it does not. Because, excuse me, these are all the levels. So the fib goes from A to B, which is in red. And everything else in between is how far it can pull back to. Because in the uptrend, it has to pull back, just like it did right here. It's like it did right here, right? Lower high, it's to pull all the way back. So, anyway, break structure. If it breaks this 89.47, you know it wants to continue to go up. If it comes underneath this 85.68 line, which is the bottom of this candle, then it could very well may keep wanting to go down to print a higher low. Now the higher low, once that prints, if it goes in that direction, that's when you want to start looking for your entry. If you're not already in it. If you're already in it, boom, let it rip. But that's where you can add to your position if you are already in it, because that is a great place to enter. Because why? Because it's a failure to go lower. So if it fails to go lower, definitely go higher. That makes sense, y'all? Or I feel like I was talking too much.
No, you good. Because I was looking at it yesterday, and I
Uh-huh.
saw the two candles, and I was looking at it. Two candles going down. So I kind of drew the fib the same way because it's the exact same point. Just try to get an idea, where it might pull back to.
Mm-hmm.
And then it just it just went the other way. Today it just engulfed it. So then I
Yeah.
was just trying to like,
You like, okay. Are you in it? Or are you looking to get in it?
no, I'm looking for it. I was looking for an entry point, which is why when I saw the two red candles, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait and see how low, see if it's gonna pull back to, like you said, that golden zone is usually at 50, 60.
Yeah, that's a
So
good
I
pull.
was so I was looking to see if it was gonna come back there,
Mhm.
and then that way I could enter and then ride it back up.
Yeah, yeah. You want to make sure that's a good pullback to the. That's why mine is in yellow. Either the 50 or the 61. These are very good pullback places. That's why I say hopefully tomorrow it gives a bearish candle, under here. Because if it keeps going up, then yeah, it just want to go. But the to get into like the meat of the play, you want to get in on that higher low if it forms. It's just wait. Yeah, like you said, to one of these two levels. I mean, it could come here. You don't know. That's why it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is available, but long as it doesn't close underneath 79.13, it's still in the uptrend. And those the good. That's the best pullback because it's like bow and arrow. The further back it pulls, the higher it's gonna go up. So
Yeah, it's kind of like silver for me right now. Like I'm trying to it keeps eluding me. I'm trying to find my entry, and silver keeps doing the same thing.
really,
Like it's in that higher, it's in that all time high.
yeah, it's all right. How long you been in there, Silver?
I I got out a while ago. I got out before the holidays. I'm trying to get back in,
Oh,
but
okay.
it
Like that
keeps
thing gonna
running.
run.
Yeah, it keeps running.
It's running away from you, huh? Was you in the gold?
Yeah, no, I'm not in the gold.
Okay. See, I ain't doing all that. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna put this in the Chisnet.
Silver
Yeah.
and BYD is one of my typical ones. So
What is it? What is the SLV? Is it? I think it's which one is it? It's SLV.
it was SLV.
That's what I thought. Okay. I wasn't 1,000% sure. Ooh. Yeah. That thing is where do you remember where you got out? Oh, you said sometime last month?
Yeah, I got out probably about. I think I got out around. It was. You see that long red candle?
Right here.
Go down one more. Go
Go
down to the next long one.
oh this right here.
Right, yeah, I got out at the top of that.
Oh, okay. You said enough is enough.
And
But
then
got it at the bottom though?
I got in at that double go up, see that red candle, right, go to the right, and then drop down one. Yeah, at the bottom of that.
Okay. That was a nice little run though. Ooh, you was up on
Yeah,
it. Okay, but when you saw that candle, you was like, I'm out.
right.
They trying to see you when it
I didn't
get back.
want to be greedy. I mean,
All
because
right.
it's going into all time high areas.
She said, I don't want to be greedy. I heard that. Look at that. Oop, I don't know what. Okay. Silver. Is anybody else in silver? That thing was running. Yeah, I think it might be overextended. Could be. Hold on. Look how long that thing was running. My goodness. Might give another higher low. Let me see. Uh-oh. Cheerios. Uh, now this hourly. Now this looks bearish. That does. Hold on. Oh yeah. Maybe. One might just be pulling back. Hold on. You need to get your friends out. All right. Uh-huh. So it's failing to go higher underneath that 20. And normally after the 20 comes the 50. Up, it's under the 50 and the 20 on the 1 hour. Interesting. And the 20 and the 50 cross. Which means that this could be coming back down here. It could, right? It could. It definitely could. Because it tap and retest the 50 EMA and coming down. Let me see what that look like on a 4 hour. Let me see. Let me see. Hmm. It's right on that 20, but it's still above the 50 on the 4 hour. So the point of interest is here. So it couldn't go underneath here. So it went up here. And now it's pulling back to the 50 and respect it. So on the daily, it's above the 20 and above the 50. Hold on. And then 30-week joint. Wait a minute. Where the heck is that one at? Oh, the 800 is way down there. I don't even see that much. It ain't coming on. Interesting. Okay. All right. Well, what I can say, wait. That thing been running. It need a pullback. Like I will wait, honestly. For a higher low. For sure. Which it looked like it definitely could be making it. I mean, take that out. Okay. Mm. Oh, it's down here. Yeah, it still look bullish for sure. But it's pulling back because it's been running so long. I mean, how long has it been running? Like that higher low down there since November. Sheesh. That's right. They've been running for like 2 months. And it's finally like starting to come back. So market structure wise, I would just wait on a higher low. So like if I was to draw the fib on here, because it's definitely like higher low. So I drew that up there probably a long time ago. Um, come down to this higher low, to the higher high. So you to go higher. And you want to see that HL. Same thing, right? Same thing. To one of these levels, higher low, and those will be your projected targets. Because it's been running so long. And it has to pull back. Like this is a pullback here, but like them pullbacks been like real small. So it's due, especially since it's at a higher high, better to go higher and to come down to one of these levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anywhere in there, wait for that higher low and then take it up. That's what I would do. I would put that like on a watch list type vibe. Because if
All
you
right,
get
that's kind of what I got going on.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, so that's just yeah, I just need confirmation of what I'm seeing, what I'm seeing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I always just wait for that. Good old higher low to form. And once you see that, yeah, we'll take it out, and then I'll put the stop loss underneath the higher low, and the target's right in front of you. And let it rip.
Appreciate you.
No doubt, no doubt. Glad I can help when I can do it. All right, what else? Who's next? Everybody gonna be quiet tonight.
Can we look at Kava?
Kava, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Kava. That's the flyer people in. Oh, shoot. Kava. All right.
Like silver, I'm waiting for a full pullback.
Okay. For sure. As you should be. Yep. Just put it on your watch list, draw the fib up on it. And wait for that market structure. All right, so let's do top-down analysis. Whoa. Kava ain't got too much going on though. All right, so it's in the downtrend, pulling back. Okay, in the monthly. Already in the weekly downtrend, lower high. Say it to go higher. Any demand at the bottom? Nope, no demand. Interesting. Okay. Are you in Kava?
I was, and because my it was expiring in January, I got out of it at a loss and then it ran. So,
Oh, damn.
I know. I think I got out of it on the Friday and on the Monday it ran.
Oh, I know you was like WTF, right?
I was like, God damn it. I know. And it had I mean, I was at such a loss, I might as well have just held it.
Yeah, okay. You say in the beginning of the year? Probably like,
Yeah, they were due to expire like mid-January, so I just got out of it.
okay. Let me see here. Then boom. Yeah, it hit that little supply area up there. That's on the 4 hour, okay, because it goes going sideways. It's a lot of sideways. Okay, let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour. There's all of that going demands. Hold on. Cabo is running, honey. This December. A lot of consolidation, a lot of demand underneath. See all these demands under here? Like at some point, the price had to come back and take all of these out. Every last one of it. So high. Is this all-time highs? I think it is, right? Well, on that 1 hour, okay. I was just wondering. Okay. Because it's pulling back, right? All right, so wow. Is that 69? Bounce off the demand. So I don't see. Go back to the 4 hour. Supply is sitting up here at 70.05. Whoa, that looks pretty tall, huh? Okay. All right. Hold on. All right. So, oh, I gotta take out those supplies too. So on the downtrend, so finally, how many lower highs is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wow. Okay. So it looked like it wants to on the daily time frame to go up. So just like on silver, we waiting for that higher low. Let me take that up. But hold on. Uh See this gap here too. So that is there and here. So this gap happened back in August. So it looked like it could be on its way to fill up that gap. 72.82 is like a $10 gap. But let me see. That let me see. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. That number 6 keep popping up. And that's like right near the gap touch. Right. So this is a popular level of support that it bounced off. And then it flipped to resistance here, which means this is what they call a swap zone because once support, now resistance. So same line. And then the candles are underneath that. But let me look. Okay, it's above that. Okay. Boom. Definitely above the 20. It's pointing up. See how the EMAs are pointing up? Boom. Let me see my friends here. Yeah. Up, 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 up. Yes. Up. Up it wants to go. However, market structure wise, it has to pull back. Like before it wants to go back out. Okay. So with that in mind, with the lovely gap has to be filled. That's how the gaps work. Once the gap happens, it has to be filled. So once the candles pass this big level of resistance here, which is support for these candles over here. So I'm gonna do like that. They touched it 6 times, right? That is a crazy level right there. So, boom, boom, pow. Now, you draw. You draw. Bam. Okay. Now, it is due for a pullback. You see? Because now, because it's at a high right now, the high very well could move. So let's say like, for example, so if tomorrow is a bullish candle, it could be very well coming back to that 73, which is this blue line right here. Because it's why I say that, because it already hit it 6 times. right? And then it rejected it right here, and then it pushed all the way back down. Now it's like it can push all the way back up. Now, once it gets past 73, then I will be looking to like, okay, what is it gonna do? So it rejected the last time it touched it. And then the next time it touch it, it could go blow right through, or it could be like, okay, reject it again, pull back, give you a higher low, and then you take it up. So you just gotta kind of watch it at this point because it's heading back towards that crazy swap zone level. Because it rejected it the last time it touched it, which was on August 14th. So it could be coming back up to retest it. Once it touches it, what is it gonna do? Blow forward or reject it again? Pull back, get a higher low. Or if it closes above it, then you already know it's probably can just go right to the target. Excuse me. Without a pullback. We don't know. But what we do know, market structure wise, and it's overbought. So that means that a lot of people is in it. So it is due for a pullback. However, it could also keep going to retest here and then pull back. That's what I would be waiting for. Did I answer your question, sis?
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. I'm gonna just do like this and I'm gonna publish it and put it in the chat so you can keep an eye on it. That work. What's this called? Oh, Kava. Kava. Okay. Kava. Daily chart. Boom. And 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 boom. Bam. And remember that 73 line. That is important on this chart. All right. Well, there you go. It is in the chat. All right. What time? All right. I'll probably to get like two more. What else you got? Oh, 89, 89. Anything else? Ugh. That's one, two, three.
If
Yeah,
you want to go over another one, you can go hit SoFi.
so far. Okay. Yeah. Folks acting scared. Like, I don't know, Milk. What am I looking at?
I mean, you can just go down my chart. Let me compare yours to mine. I'm all right with it.
I was looking at SoFi at some point because I got the 50 drip up on it. It's consolidating. Boom. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna put it back, but I'm gonna do the analysis on it. And then okay. So yeah, clearly in an uptrend. And so far kind of new, so like all-time high for them. Okay. Weekly. Okay. Crazy consolidation. 4 hour. Already. Wowzers. Mm. Okay. High, low, high, low. Oh, oh, oh. Now, higher high, that right there, overbought, right? Means that buku people in it, it's red, came all the way back down and pulling back, made a lower high. I think it's about to drop. That's what it's looking like. Yeah. And this is the same as like the accumulation, manipulation, and then the distribution thing again I see here. As I see it. Dang. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and it came how far? That high again. Okay, interesting. Okay. All right. Ben, look at that. That is just a mess. Just sideways, 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 sideways. Crazy, crazy. Okay, so you have, all right. So this is what my eyeballs see. Like, I want to draw a line there, right, and then come down. So here, this is what can happen. I do see, let me see something.
Okay, while you doing that, I have a question.
Sure.
So is that considered a symmetrical or asymmetrical
Mm,
triangle?
yeah.
So far we looking the same
You
so
looking the
far.
same?
It's looking the same so far. I just don't
All
know how to use this measuring tool here, but you're
right.
looking the same.
So, how far is that say? 51.10. So, this would be like a bare TV. 51.10% move. Yeah. Now, this is contingent upon, hold on. Um, Contingent upon it breaking out of here. So lower high, failure to go higher, and then coming down here. So the cool part about drawing the lines, right, is that you can right click on it and set an alert. That's how you do. Boom. Touch nothing, date. The 6, right? And then you can do message SoFi. What's it called? SoFi break uh support line break, right? SoFi support line break. Boom. So if their candles come down and break and retest this and come under here, like I would even draw a line under this low. And she definitely wanted to do that. If it come down here and you want it to come down here, this will be like the icing on the cake. And then what you also can look up, hold on, is on uh bar chart. SoFi. Then a buy. Okay. So the majority is saying. Mm-hmm. Okay. So these right here can turning point. So support level 25.36. That's the bottom one. So I'll just get a line randomly. 25.36. That is, now this change every day. So third support. Meaning that if SoFi comes down and close under 25.36, that is what it said, right? Right. Okay. And then 29.81. I'm gonna put that one up there too. 29.81. I'll tell you why I put it there. 29. Uh, Hold on, man. Hold on. My thing is stuck. Oh, wait a minute. 29.81. Okay. Why did my music stop? Oh, okay. Up here. Uh-oh. I'm sure. Hold on. 1 second. Uh, so, all right. So, now this is the third line of resistance. All right. So, this is how I like to set it up. I'm like doing the shapes and stuff like that. All right. Because, and you can set alerts on these too. So 2536 is the third line of support. 2981 is the third line of resistance, meaning that if it closes above the third line of resistance, SoFi wants to go up. If it closes underneath the third line of support, SoFi wants to go down. Now, which also, by the time it gets to there, it should also have a breakdown and retest of this line. It should, but if not, it's cool. And then that would be like, okay, like a little sensor to go off, like it could be coming down here. Now, if it breaks this low, which is at 23.52 or 23.50, somewhere, 2 cent difference. Yeah, then I would definitely be on my way to here. 1,000%. Now, if it comes, then goes the other way, which I doubt because it's a lower high, then you could look for it to come up here, which is this previous structure point right here. From there to there. Bam. Now that is gorgeous. That would be my philosophy on SoFi. And because it's consolidating, so you wanted to break out of the consolidation. And when it's ranging like that, you're just not sure of which direction it's gonna go. So what you can do is prepare yourself like, okay, which way is it going to go? You honestly don't know. So therefore, if it breaks third line of resistance, you know it's going up. Breaks third line of support, you know it's going down, then down to the low, breaks that low, break recess, going down to that 1796. That would be my target. If it go up, I would try to reach this high, 32.73, 32.82, somewhere around that neighborhood. Does that make sense? No? Yes? Maybe so?
Yes, I was trying to get my mic off. And I just want to say my drawing didn't look as good as this. You like lost me at the third line. Well, you didn't lose
Oh,
me. I
I lost you?
understood.
Oh no.
I know. No, you didn't lose me. I understand the third line. I'm just saying your drawing changed when you went to the third line of resistance and
Oh,
support. Um, so no, you didn't lose me. You kind of added to my knowledge on that one. So appreciate that.
no doubt. You know what I'm saying? If you can see me, I will take a bow.
All right, all right. Take a bow. Take a bow anyway.
No doubt. No doubt. I do this, I love being like geeky and quirky and nerdy like that. I was like, oh, that looks pretty cool. That's why I said this is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and publish this. Hit the wrong button. Let's focus. Okay. So far, yeah, so far it looks it is consolidating daily chart. So boom and boom. Do do do. No, you can get it. You keep an eye on it. And next week you'll come back and look at it and see what it do. I ain't gonna even touch it. I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying? I set my little alert for it. I'm gonna just see which direction is it gonna break, up or down. I think it's gonna go down. That's what it's looking like to me. But I'm just saying. Okay, I'll do one more and then do the little giveaways and stuff like that. So One more, and that'll be it because we've been on here a good little hour. And that's gonna be it. Anybody else? Or that's it? Ooh. And what's the
All
thing?
right, well, let's keep rolling. And you want to roll? Let's do IWM. If nobody else don't have none, let's roll. Let's see IWM.
It says like, yeah, no worries. Right. I mean, everybody being quiet. IWM. Okay. Bye bye upturn. That's so funny when I write that. IWM came up a little bit. So, are you in IWM? No? Yes? Maybe so? Okay. Hold on. Mhm.
I'm trying to get my mute button. No, so what I've been doing with IWM is I've been doing a little uh looking at it to do a little day trading off
mm,
of it.
oh,
So
yeah,
I'm
it
looking.
going down. Let me see what it did today. Oh, oh, it went up today, huh? Okay. It touched that line up there again.
Yeah, it took off.
Yeah, for sure. 'Cause it was drippy for a little while there. And okay, yeah, that's wow. Crazy candle on today. So, why reason why I had this, oh, I had it down here. I was in the right spot. My bad. So yeah, the entry was down here, if you ain't already was in it. This candle right here. Or this one with this little gap up somewhere in between here because this is the perfect setup for the fib. Well, I mean it was because this is always what you want your eyeballs want to see. You got A, B, and then C. Bam. A, B, and C. And then your entry on the fib can always be a bullish candle higher than the higher low, which I said could have been this one, or if you want to wait till that close, enter it on this one, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 bar play to the moon, baby. I think this is gonna run. This gonna run. But the entry was here. A good entry was here. Like if you get in now, I'm not saying you can't catch it, but like let me like at my little bit, my little friend. Yep, above the 20. Yep, above the 50 and the 200. Yup. Above the pink. Yup. Uh-huh. Yeah. This is looking good for the uptrend play. Cause above that 248, boom. Uh, missed it if you ain't in it. But if you want to catch it, you're chasing. Because the move was what day was this? This was on the last Friday, so it's been running for almost a week now. Running in profit, that is, because when the IWM was tanking over here, I was in them option plays. That thing was going down, down, down. But now it done flipped. But it's kind of got that double top too, so you gotta be careful. So just see if it's gonna break this structure. See, right now it tapped it. So if it goes above 258.23, which is at 228, it's like 4 cents away. So tomorrow, if it close above this number here, 258.23, that thing gonna run. I'm just saying. But the good entry was down here with the stop loss underneath the higher low. So kind of just gotta decipher with that one because you missed the entry on that. Always want to make sure this is what we wait for on silver. What was the other one? Kava, BYD. Well, lift is different, but yeah, silver, BYD, and Kava. This is what you were waiting for. That higher low, so it fails to go lower, and a bullish candle higher than the higher low. Stop loss under here. That thing gonna run, baby. It's gonna run. So I'm gonna print this and what's that called? Oh, IWM. IWM daily chart. And I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna see what was going on with there. Cause it's running for sure. So you get in, you're gonna be chasing, just know that. But who said you can't? But because it's respecting the trend line too, but then even come back down. It came down to the 382 level, which this is the push level that my good friend just said. And here, rejection and get past here, then yeah, go on here. You close above
Yeah,
here, retest, boom, out of there.
yeah, I'm trying to see if it's gonna come back down, retest, and come back down one more time before it.
You like, please come back, give us a retest, please.
I mean, everything else is is retested, 5 and 6 times. So,
No, absolutely. Absolutely. So, oh, okay, I didn't put that one in there. I'm about to put that one in. Oh, wait, I'm tripping. I ain't even copy that much. Hold on. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Copy. Boom. Make sure y'all get that out of the chat and save them to your favorites or put them somewhere. And I'm gonna check back on them next week because I looked the other day. I'm like, I have so many of these charts in here. It's from all of the Thursdays. Some of them I go back and look at, and some of them I don't. So, but yeah, they here. Boom. They in the building. Okay, for sure. All right, so now it's giveaway time. Appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. We're gonna wrap up. Pick a number from 1 to 20. I got 4. Actually, I got 5 prizes. So it's only 10 people here, so half of y'all gonna get a prize. Half the people in here gonna get a prize. Pick a number from 1 to 20. So the prizes are, in case we have anybody new, two uh two like lifetime email reads is like a whole bunch of links, books, courses, reads, libraries, PDF files full of books, just a whole bunch of stuff. 2 different emails of those. One is the super chart, which I'm gonna show you in a second. One is the 3K software. That's the one everyone loves the most because it's the cheat code for the option play. And then the next one is an hour with me. So those are the 5 giveaways. So while y'all putting the numbers in the chat, I ain't even picked mine out yet. I'm gonna show y'all the super chart because it really helps your life. I promise you it does. What's today? Thursday? I use it every day. See? I'm gonna go to something I ain't got nothing on. Let me do Tesla. I don't think I had nothing on Tesla today. Tesla. Okay, great. Let me take off the volume. All right. So these super charts have these super lovely levels, which is, let me do the 5 minute. Okay, yeah. It looks even better. So, this white line is previous day close, right? So how these super charts work, because I explained it like how you said it. It was real simple. But basically it's like support and resistance, right? So let's say started from here. This is pre-market yesterday. Today is Thursday. Yeah. So pre-market yesterday, it opened up with a higher high. So if it rejects one of these yellow lines, which over here is 435.80, then chances are it's gonna go to the next line underneath. Now, let me make it a little bigger so we can see. Because somebody's gonna win this and you're gonna want to know how to operate it. But you can see it on my live trade videos too, because I always use these lines. They're basically targets, right? So reject here, you're like cool, it's telling you where it's going. It's like a chart GPS. Like, all right, if reject here is going here, cool. Came down here, failed to go lower, went right back up here, and guess where the next line is? Oh my goodness, right here. Like, right? Boom, came down here, reject. Come right back down here. Reject, come right back up. Reject, right back down. You get what I'm saying? Reject, come back up. Down, retest, 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 point back up. And now it couldn't get past up here. It fails to go higher. Where did it go? Right back down to this same line. And now it consolidated. Next day, went right back up. Boom, break, retest, retest, three retests. You gotta pay attention to them retests. How many times they can touch the line? Actually, there's four. One, two, three, four. Between 4 and 6 touches of the same line, that thing about to run. I'm just saying. Boom, come up here, fair to go higher, come right back down to the line. Reject, right back to the line. You get the point. All right, cool. So it's pretty cool. It's a charting GPS. It's for any time frame, 5 minute, 1 minute, daily, whatever. All right, so that's a super chart. It's pretty dope. I love it. I use it every day.
MuMu, I have a question.
I
What
have
are them? What are the exact lines? Is it pre-market? You have previous day close, pre-market high low, and what are the other lines included?
You mean like where do they come from?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great question. Higher time frame. Hold on. Oh, well, wait a minute. That's like too many lines. Hold on. Okay, hold on. This one has a lot on it. Oh, well, I didn't mean to make it that big. So they are just previous support and resistance, like where on the higher time frame, where the price touched and rejected. See, touch here, reject. And look how many times though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So
Okay.
489.05 is a crazy line. This
Mhm.
is a line, same thing down here. It rejected right here. Then it gapped down. So it basically, long story short, to answer your question, it comes from higher time frame price action.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. But the thing is, you have to switch it out every day. That's the kicker. It's kind of annoying, but guess what? It doesn't matter because you just save it to your favorites because the level switches on it on a daily basis. If you just think it's going to be the same chart every day, no ma'am, Pam, it's definitely not. So yeah. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna pick my little numbers. Oh, on my sticky paper. All right, hold on. 1, 2. Okay. All right, and then uh, all right. So here we go. Okay. Okay. So boom. There we go. Okay, we got the 10 in the chat. I don't see. I do have number 10. Oh, 10 is Sean. Is it Shawnee or is it Sean?
Callie, Sean,
Sean.
Sean,
That's right. I said it.
Sean, Callie, same, yeah.
Oh, word. Okay. Boom. Okay. Hey, that's what's up. For sure. Okay. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, Sean, Kylie. Which one you prefer? So I get it right.
Callie is my name. Sean is just what I write my books under. So either one is whatever's best. If you could say Callie, Callie works.
Kylie works. Okay, for sure. I can say whatever you want me to say. You know what I'm saying?
Well, everybody, some people mess it up. So then I say, just call me Sean. You know?
Like get it right. Get it right. Get it tight, right? That is amazing. Okay, so that would be the emails. Write it down. Email. I think, yeah, I got your email. I got your email. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Email, lifetime of email. So this on that. Boom. And then I have 1, 2, 10
What
with
I
that.
win?
The emails, lifetime emails.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Yeah, it's buku emails. I promise you. It's for your kids and your grandkids, your neighbors, your aunties. The family reunion,
All right. Okay.
share the wealth, share the wealth. Okay, cool. That's what's up. All right, Shell. I gotta get my Can y'all hear the jazz music? Or you can't hear it? Okay, cool. All right, and I have number 12, Miss Tanya Jones. Are you here or not?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, hey, how you
Hey,
doing? How
I'm
you?
here. Hey,
Okay,
here.
I love it. Now you. Thank you for chiming in on the call. Um, that is going to be number 12. So I got number 10 and number 12. And guess what you win?
What?
I love the enthusiasm. I love the enthusiasm. I do. I do. You get the super charts. Boom.
Okay.
No,
Thank you.
no doubt. No doubt. Super charts. And you're on let me make sure, because now we on the Discord. But you was on Telegram too, right?
Uh-huh.
Under
Yeah.
your let me see. No, don't see it. Hold on. But I know you in the Discord, right? Or
Yeah. When I got your message last night, I think I was at work and I clicked on it and joined last night. I sent
okay.
you a message today too because I couldn't find the link. That was me who sent you the message. Well, one of the people that sent you the message about the link.
Oh, word. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, okay. Like, where can you find it? Okay, yeah, I do remember somebody saying that. What's the name on Telegram?
Tanya Jones.
Oh, okay. I can't keep up. It's just let's see. I'm trying to make sure
I'm sorry, sniffing like this. My sinus is acting up.
tell them sinuses to get together. Get it together.
I know, man. This is disgusting.
Don't send me a
Leave D. Leave D.
huh?
I was telling her Leave D works
Oh
over.
yeah, I got the Claritin that's not working for me. And my coworker was like, "You better get that Allegra D."
Oh,
No, Leave. Leave.
Okay,
Yeah, try that.
all
yeah.
right. Thank you.
She said try that.
I'm gonna do something. I got to.
She
I
said,
can't take this no more. All my eyes running and oh Lord.
oh no, that ain't good. Did somebody sneeze on you?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta make sure you're good. All right, I sent you a message on the Discord. Make sure that you can see I say hi. I
Yeah,
can't find
came
it.
through.
I did.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna send you the chart on there on
Okay.
your on the DM. I gotta get used to the Discord. I'm still new. I'm still new. Okay, cool. So we got that. I'll send it to you in just a moment. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Let me come back here. I say number 10, number 12. And boom. You could just do because they already have okay. And then all right, 11, 12. All right. So we did the super charts, we did the email. I do have another email. I have another hour with me, and I have the software. So I have three more. Three more. Okay, and let me see something. Uh, Okay. Okay, hold on. Get the number. Okay, we did the close to it. Miss Laura. Is Laura here?
Number 8?
Is that you?
Yes.
Hi.
No,
How you
I'm good.
doing?
Sinus too. Must be sinus season.
Oh
Yeah.
no!
Shoot.
Ladies, what's going on here? Is anybody coughing on you all?
No.
Okay. We want to make sure there's nobody coughing. All right, for sure. For sure. Okay. Miss Armstrong, you won the hour with me. Boom.
Cool.
Hour with me. Miss Armstrong. Okay. Boom. Now, you on Discord or you on a Telegram? I'm trying to figure this out. You on both of them or what?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let me I'm trying to get acclimated here. So um under um trying to find you. What's your name on Telegram?
It might be Doc Arm.
Doc Arm. Oh, okay. That's probably why.
Okay.
Doc Arm. Um, oh, one word or is that two words?
That's one word.
Oh, okay. No, that ain't it. 1 second. Like DOCARM, right?
Diz and Doctor, yes.
Okay, Doc Arm. Let me see. All right. Okay. I'm gonna just send a message that say hi. Let me know if you got it. Oh, say failed. What? To send message. Why? Legendary conversation. I'm so confused. All right. All right, hold on. I'm trying here. Sorry, y'all. I don't see it. Okay, can you like say hi in the chat or something so I can find you?
Which chat?
That's a free chat on a Discord.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just say hi, so because like it ain't pulling up. It ain't pulling up. We got two more. Two more. Okay, got you. I see it. Oh, it was all one word. I think that's where I was messing up at. Okay. Okay, boom. It's a fail to send message. I think
Are
you
you trying
might.
to send it to my email?
No, I was trying to send you a message on there, but it's blocking me. So
Mm.
you might have it blocked for me to send it to you. Um, but on Telegram, um,
You sent me stuff on Telegram before.
that's what I'm saying. Is it you got the same name on Telegram, Doc Arm?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I don't see it though. That's what I'm saying.
Mm.
You gotta send me a hi message or something. Because I think you don't have it to where someone can send you a message. Okay, I got it. I see you on Telegram. Okay, got it. All right. Okay, that's all right. I'm sending you a message. Bam. All right, we good. Thank you. Let's set up a time. That's what I just put in.
Okay. All
Cool,
right.
cool, cool. All right, just want to make sure that we connect now. You know what I'm saying? It's
Appreciate
like, all right, I done went something. Where she at?
it.
All right. Sorry, y'all. I'm getting acclimated over here. Got a new system in place. All right, so you call it with the emails, Miss Tanya Jones with the super shorts. We have Miss Dog Arm, okay, with the 1 hour. Bam. All right. Okay. Why does this thing keep popping up like that? I'm not sure. Okay. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the closest number. All right. So next prize is gonna be it's two more. It's his email and then the 3K software. Oh, then I would love to show you, but oh, and with the 3K software, it looks amazing on Charles Schwab. So if you don't have Charles Schwab, I would highly recommend you getting a Charles Schwab account, which is free. And just put like $5 in there or something if you're not using it because they will shut your account down like they did mine. I was like, oh, you gotta at least have something in there. I was so like, oh my gosh. So then you gotta print out the form and take it up there. It's just too much. So to avoid that, if you don't have one, just put $5, $10 something in there. Because I wasn't using it. Charles Schwab is like a science rocket spaceship to my brain. But the software, I was just using it for that, but I didn't know you had to have money in there. But anywho, yeah. So two more people. So bam. So the emails, and we do the software. So okay, so boom. Emails and the software. That's what we got. And the software, just remember, it's Charles Schwab. So next, we're gonna do the emails, and we have some cool participants here. All right. And we're gonna do what's my number? So we got 10, 12. Ooh, all right. Get my number. So we're gonna do the closest one to it, to my number. Should I go left or right? That's what I'm trying to decide. Because you have people. But everyone should walk away with a winner. All right, next. I'm writing down my notes, y'all. Forgive me. Email. So we're gonna do the emails next. And there's gonna be Ari, are you here? Or Ari's gone?
I'm still here.
Hey,
Hey.
still here. Okay, cool bean.
Mm-hmm.
All right, for sure. All right. What's on that? Lifetime of emails for you.
Thank you.
No doubt. No doubt. Close my number is 13 for a show. Sorry. Emails. Okay, and last but not least, the Charles Schwab, the moment everyone has been waiting for. All right. Write my numbers down. Hold on. Okay. Closest one to it is KP. KP, are you here?
Ba, 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 ba.
I love it. I
That's
love it.
exciting. Thank you.
No doubt. No doubt. No doubt. No doubt. Okay. And I have your email or no? I'm pretty sure I do, right? I'm making sure. You funny. Okay. All right, I know I got your email. All right. And KP, hold on. KP, just say something in the under the chats.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the easiest way. Like say a hi in the free chat or something. Like Miss Laura did. Doc on. That way I can find you people every week doing some giveaways. Okay, bam. All right. I see it. Hold on. We are acclimated here. Let me make sure I can send you messages. Let me do message. I say, wait. All right. You see, I sent you a message. Say hi.
Yep, I got it.
All right, cool. All right, let's make sure I'm connected with everybody.
Thank you.
All right, people. I'm connected with everybody. I'll send your stuff in the next 5 minutes. Give me some time. We'll be back next week. I'm gonna put the recording up on the YouTube page. Anybody got any questions before we get up out of here?
I have a question. I have a
Sure.
question. I just joined the VIP, but I don't have access. Does it take a while to get access?
Let me go on there. I'm glad you said that. Hold on. It's supposed to did it prompt you to go back to the Discord?
Yes. So I use the link in the Discord where you have the various membership links.
Okay.
Because I had joined the free one first, and then I went back and used the VIP link, and I paid for it. I got the receipt, but I don't have access.
Okay, got you. Hold on one second. And what is your name on the Discord?
Let me take a look.
Sure.
I think it's Ari Chels, ARICHELSS. Oh no, it's not. It's Ari.
All right, hold on. Let me look. I'm taking a look now.
Let's see. Or I guess take a look at see if it's Ari or Arazoe, ARAZOE. One of those two.
Oh, I see Ari.
Okay.
Okay. I see it here. All right. Okay. Check now.
Okay. Let me go back in. I'll refresh the page
Yeah.
because I didn't see it. No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Mm-mm. Did you have to approve it?
No, I just came here and it said 6 days ago. It said Ari
Yeah.
ARAZO.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so I joined, that's the free one, but today I paid for the VIP one.
Right. Okay. And make sure. Okay. Try to refresh it again.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, I see it now.
All right. Whole show.
Okay, thanks.
No worries. Thanks for joining the VIP. Anyone else have any questions? That's it, guys.
Oh, this has been helpful. Thanks, Mo.
It's helpful? Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I like to say here. Yep. So we'll be back at it next week. I'm gonna put
Okay.
the video up on the YouTube if you guys want to take a look back at it in case you missed something that I said or however. But yeah, we'll rock out. All right.
Thank
So
you.
no problem. I'll get y'all gifts over to you right away. Y'all have a good night.